welcome back to the channel. My name is Dalton with Vertran Acres, and we have a pretty cool video planned today. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be mowing this whole property, getting it looking nice, and it's going to be a pretty long video, I would say. Alright guys, so before we get any further, let's do a giveaway. This is a free giveaway. I'm going to give away one of these brand new hats, and how you enter is you have to be the closest to guess the amount of time it takes to mow this whole property. So it's 4.5 acres or so, maybe 4 acres. I'm going to be mowing the front, the back, using the edger on the front, and weed eating pretty much everywhere on the property. It's going to be a long time, but the person that guesses the closest to the number, I will send you out one of those hats. If there's a couple people that are really close, I'll send out multiple. But yeah, I will start the timer as soon as I get the zero turn out to the front of the property. And yeah, let's see. Make your guesses down below. Well, let's go ahead and fire up the old zero turn, the old Bad Boy Maverick HD, and get started. So also I got this Stanley. I tried to use it last time I mowed, and it was just really loose fitting in there, and it ended up falling and spilling without me noticing. And so I got this little adjustable cup holder on Amazon. I will put a link to it in the description. It's pretty nice. It holds it really, like, it's fully adjustable, and it seems to be holding it pretty well. So we'll see how it goes the rest of the day, but so far so good. back is done mowing. Now I'm gonna go mow the front real quick. Not real quick, but get the front done, and then we are going to start the edging up front, and then I will go around the property, use the old weed eater, and that shouldn't take too long. I'm not gonna make you watch all of that, but maybe some, because I gotta get around, like I want to get around like under the fences there, right along the house, along these bricks here, things like that. Clean up maybe around the pond. I'm gonna leave a lot of that tall stuff around the pond because the root systems are kind of holding a lot of dirt. I don't want the pond to erode, so they're kind of doing a little bit of help for us. So yeah, there's some spots I'll probably leave way out there in the field that I don't really care about, but all this stuff close to the house, like around these trees, like right there, that tree over there, around there, bricks there, the fencing over there, I'll probably do along the whole fence. Same with the front of the property, I'll do all the weed eating out there. But as far as using the edger, it's just gonna be along the driveway basically. So let's go ahead and bring this thing out to the front. Well, I can't tell you because I would give it away. But I think we're doing pretty good as far as time goes. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and knock out the rest. I'm going to put the drone up, finish the front yard, and as far as mowing goes, and then we're going to go get the weed eater and the edger and finish up the front, and then we'll head to the back and finish the rest. So not too much. All right, guys, so that is going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys put the guess down below on how long you think it took. I will announce the winner in the next video. Yeah, it took a while. It took a while. And I still have a little bit to do, I guess, but I'm not going to count that because it's just little small things like putting stuff away and things like that. So, but that is going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.